Hello friends, welcome to Online Technique. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bring back battery icon on the taskbar in Windows 10 because we often lose this battery icon while working on the computer. So we get into the problem of computer charging. As a result, we don't understand how much charge is in the PC. Dear friends, if you want to solve the problem, watch the video to the end without skipping. I believe that after watching the video, you can do the task easily. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. Dear friends, see, there is no battery icon on the taskbar of my PC. Now go to the left side corner and type in the search box Device Manager. DEVICE MANAGER. After typing, press enter key from the keyboard. Then you will see such a window. Now go to the top of the window and you will see a option named batteries. Under it you will see two options. Now click right button of the mouse on the first option named Microsoft AC adapter. Then you will see some options. From here click on enable device. Later click right button of the mouse on the second option named Microsoft ACPI complaint control method battery. Then you will see some options. From here click on enable device. Now close the window and go to the right side corner bottom of the desktop and see there is an icon of battery has been added on the taskbar. Dear friends, in this way you can bring back battery icon on the taskbar in Windows 10. So my dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.